Alright, what's going on everyone? In this video I'm going to be showing you how to buy cryptocurrency as a Canadian within less than 2 minutes. The first thing we're going to do is make an account here on newton.co. We're going to go ahead and log in. Alright, so we've logged in and you're going to go over to the right side, go add funds and fund it any way you want. So you can do e-transfer, bank account. I funded with e-transfer, so you just hit e-transfer, you type it in, and then it'll send a request to the email attached to your account. Now, after you've got it all funded up, like I do here, I have $200 Canadian. You're going to go over to trade. You're going to choose the token that you want. So you can choose Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Stellar, Tether, a couple other ones. We're just going to go with Ethereum in this one. And I'm going to buy $200 worth of Ethereum, which is equivalent to 0.29. Hit review trade, buy Ethereum, and that's all. You're done. Alright guys, so that concludes our video. That is how you purchase cryptocurrency as a Canadian on a Canadian exchange. I showed you guys how to fund your account, how to buy the cryptocurrency, and the next step would be to withdraw the cryptocurrency from this exchange into our personal wallet. That'll be covered in the next video. I'll be explaining the 3 different kinds of wallets that you can use. But if you found this video helpful, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. I try to make these videos as short and to the point as possible. And also, there's a $25 bonus link for newton.co in the description. So you get $25, I get $25. And if you don't want to be $25 richer, don't hit that link in the description. So thanks for watching, guys. Catch you in the next one.